Welcome to WebStarBus, how to generate more content with ChatGPT. Sometimes, depending on the subject, ChatGPT may provide less content than desired. However, content writers, bloggers, article writers, and SEO experts often require a certain number of characters in an article to meet search engine and reader expectations. Previously, the recommended minimum was 250 or 450 characters. Now it is at least 1000 characters. To generate a sufficient amount of content for various purposes, such as creating a PDF book, there are ways to generate more content on any subject using ChatGPT. Here's how you can generate an unlimited amount of content using ChatGPT. For example, ask a question. How does a software as a service business makes money? Enter. ChatGPT will provide a response. It gave me 10 points on my question. To generate more content, type continue and press the enter key. The chatbot will provide additional information. And we have more points. And these are different. For example, cross-selling and upselling. It is different point than the points it mentioned earlier. Expansion into new markets. It is also different. So it said, as SaaS businesses continue to grow, they often explore additional opportunities to expand their revenue streams and foster customer loyalty. Some of these strategies include these. If you need even more content, simply type continue again and hit enter. And it is saying, like, in addition to the strategies previously mentioned, SaaS businesses can focus on optimizing and improving various aspects of their operations to drive growth and increase revenue. And these points are different now. So now we have got a lot of material on this same subject. But even now, you can use keyword continue and hit enter and it will generate more content. So if this is an article, we've got the main topic and subtopics. Question was, how does a software as a service business makes money? It said they typically use subscription model. The main sources of revenue of SaaS business include these. Then we have additional opportunities to expand revenue. Then we have focus and optimizing and improving various aspects of business operations to drive growth and increase revenue. Then we have strategies for long-term growth and success. So continue is just a keyword. Remember that ChatGPT is a chatbot and it recognizes context in a conversation. This window is a conversation. Unless we leave this window or conversation and start a new chat, ChatGPT remembers the context of this conversation. If you stay within the same conversation, you can ask for more information on a subject or a subtopic, and the chatbot will understand. It will also not repeat itself, and you are not just bound to continue keyword. For example, let's start a new conversation. What is GPT in terms of AI? After asking about a topic, you can request more information or ask for technical details related to the topic. Now, I didn't use continue keyword. I just asked different question around same topic or same question. Keep asking relevant questions and ChatGPT will continue to reply. Initially, users might assume that when ChatGPT stops responding, it is done. However, the fact is that it can produce more content on any subject. Even when writing a PDF book, ChatGPT will stop at a certain point, but you can simply ask it to continue and it will carry on generating an almost endless amount of content. As a chatbot, ChatGPT's mission is to generate content and it does so better than most of us. So remember the keyword continue or just ask relevant question around same topic and keep asking questions to produce endless content on any topic. Stay tuned for more ChatGPT tips. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.